In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Multi-Sector Performance Tracker in TradingView Pro. This is a really handy tool if you want to quickly compare how different sectors of the market are performing, all on a single chart. It can help you spot strength and weakness across the market at a glance, instead of checking each sector one by one. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you're using the Pro version, since certain indicators and layout options work best there. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that panel opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find any indicator inside TradingView's massive library. Click directly into the search box so you can start typing. If your chart looks a bit crowded, don't worry. The Indicators panel will sit on top and you can always close it again later. Now, with the search box active, begin typing Multi-Sector Performance Tracker. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of results in real time. Make sure you spell it clearly enough that the correct indicator appears in the drop-down list. Once you see Multi-Sector Performance Tracker in the search results, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You should now see the Multi-Sector Performance Tracker displayed, either as an overlay on your existing price chart or as a separate panel, depending on how it's designed. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on your chart to access its settings. This is where you can adjust visual preferences, like colors, line thickness, or which sectors you want to focus on. Take a moment to customize it so that it's easy for you to read at a glance. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro, or you're considering upgrading, be sure to use the affiliate link provided in the description of this video. That link will take you straight to TradingView's site and apply any available promotion connected with this channel. It's a simple way to support the content while unlocking the extra features and performance you get with the Pro plan. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start using the Multi-Sector Performance Tracker as part of your market analysis workflow.